Have you ever pictured yourself relaxing on a veranda, a cool breeze rustling through palm trees, a cup of Blue Mountain coffee in hand? In 2024, is this dream best achieved through renting or owning? Many Jamaicans weigh the comfort of ownership against the flexibility of renting. For some, owning a piece of Jamaica is paramount. Others prioritize the freedom and mobility that renting provides. The decision to rent or buy isn't made in a vacuum. It's shaped by a myriad of factors, both personal and economic. Financial stability plays a significant role, with affordability being a key concern for potential homeowners and renters alike. Jamaica's economic landscape, with its unique opportunities and challenges, adds another layer to this complex equation. Individual preferences and life stages also heavily influence this decision. Young professionals just starting their careers might prioritize the flexibility of renting, while growing families might seek the stability and space of home ownership. Cultural nuances and societal expectations also contribute to how Jamaicans perceive home ownership. Jamaica's housing market, vibrant and dynamic, presents both opportunities and obstacles for those seeking a place to call home. Understanding the current market trends is essential for making informed decisions about renting and owning. We'll examine the factors driving property prices, rental rates, and overall market affordability. The availability and accessibility of mortgages also significantly impact the feasibility of home ownership. Location, a cornerstone of real estate, plays a pivotal role in Jamaica's housing market. From the bustling capital of Kingston to the serene coastal towns, each region offers a unique blend of lifestyle and affordability. The Jamaican dream of homeownership is increasingly confronted by a stark reality: rising property prices. Across the island, from the desirable beachfront properties to the humble homes in vibrant communities, the cost of owning a piece of paradise is steadily climbing. This surge in prices, while driven by various factors, creates a significant hurdle for many aspiring homeowners. Young professionals, often burdened with student loans and navigating the early stages of their careers, find themselves priced out of the market. Families seeking larger spaces to accommodate their growing needs face similar challenges. This affordability crunch isn't merely a matter of numbers, it has tangible consequences for Jamaican society. A shifting landscape, market trends, and their implications. Jamaica's housing market is not static. It's influenced by a confluence of internal and external forces that shape its dynamics. One significant trend is the increasing demand for housing, fueled by population growth and urbanization. As more people flock to urban centers in search of opportunities, the pressure on existing housing stock intensifies, driving up prices and competition. Simultaneously, the rise of short-term rental platforms like Airbnb, while offering new income streams for some homeowners, also contributes to reduced availability and affordability in certain areas. Navigating uncertainty, economic factors at play. The decision to rent or buy in Jamaica is intricately linked to the country's economic performance. Factors such as inflation, interest rates, and employment levels all play a role in shaping market trends and influencing individual decisions. Inflation erodes purchasing power and makes it more expensive to save for a down payment or afford monthly mortgage repayments. Interest rate fluctuations also impact the cost of borrowing, making mortgages more or less accessible depending on the economic climate. Employment stability and income growth are paramount for both renters and buyers. Weighing the odds, is the Jamaican dream attainable? In the face of these challenges, the question remains, is the Jamaican dream of homeownership still attainable in 2024? For some, particularly those with substantial savings, access to financing, and the willingness to make long-term financial commitments, homeownership might still be within reach. However, for many others, particularly those entering the market for the first time or facing financial constraints, the path to ownership is fraught with obstacles. This is not to say that the dream is impossible, but it requires careful planning, prudent financial management, and potentially adjusting expectations regarding location, size, or type of property. Understanding the challenges, while daunting, is the first step towards making informed choices that align with individual aspirations and financial realities. The freedom to explore advantages of renting in Jamaica. Renting in Jamaica, often seen as the stepping stone to ownership, offers its own set of advantages that resonate with a wide range of individuals and families. One of the most appealing aspects is flexibility. Renters have the freedom to easily relocate, whether it's for a new job opportunity, to be closer to family, or simply to experience a different part of the island. This mobility is particularly attractive to young professionals and those seeking new adventures without being tied down to a specific location. Renting also eliminates the burden of property maintenance and repairs, which can be time-consuming and costly for homeowners. Financially, renting generally requires a lower upfront investment compared to buying. The price of flexibility. Considering the drawbacks of renting. While renting offers enticing benefits, it's essential to consider the drawbacks before making a decision. One significant disadvantage is the lack of equity building. Rent payments, unlike mortgage payments, do not contribute to owning an asset. Essentially, renters are paying for a place to live without building long-term wealth through property ownership. Another concern is the potential for rent increases. Renters are also at the mercy of their landlords when it comes to renovations or modifications to the property. Weighing financial implications, renting versus owning in numbers. To make an informed decision, it's crucial to examine the financial implications of renting versus owning in Jamaica. Let's consider a hypothetical scenario: a family of 4 looking for a 3-bedroom house in a desirable neighborhood. The average rent for such a property might be around $1,500 per month, totaling $18,000 per year. Over 5 years, this amounts to $90,000 spent on rent, with no tangible asset to show for it. On the other hand, purchasing a similar property might require a 20% down payment on a $300,000 mortgage, equating to $60,000 up front. Monthly mortgage payments, including interest, property taxes, and insurance, might amount to $2,000, totaling $24,000 per year. A question of priorities, aligning your choice with your lifestyle. Ultimately, the decision to rent or own in Jamaica is a personal one, driven by individual priorities, financial circumstances, and lifestyle aspirations. If flexibility, lower upfront costs, and freedom from maintenance responsibilities are top priorities, renting might be the more suitable option. However, if building long-term wealth through equity, having the security of owning your own space, and the potential for property value appreciation are more important, then homeownership might be the right path. Seeking advice from financial advisors or real estate professionals can provide valuable insights and guidance tailored to your specific circumstances. A legacy in the making, the enduring appeal of homeownership. For many Jamaicans, owning a home represents more than just a roof over their heads. It's a deeply ingrained aspiration, a symbol of stability, and a legacy to pass on to future generations. The pride of ownership runs deep, fostering a sense of belonging and connection to the community. Beyond the emotional significance, homeownership offers tangible financial benefits. Unlike rent payments, which disappear without a trace, mortgage payments contribute to building equity, the portion of your home that you truly own. As you make payments and chip away at the principal, your equity grows, increasing your net worth and providing a valuable asset. Moreover, owning a home provides protection against rising rental costs. The weight of responsibility, unveiling the costs of owning. Home ownership offers numerous advantages, but it comes with financial and personal responsibilities. The most significant upfront cost is the down payment, requiring years of saving. Closing costs can add thousands to the overall expense. Ongoing expenses include property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Homeowners are responsible for all repairs, unlike renters. These costs can be unpredictable and substantial. Beyond bricks and mortar, intangible benefits of owning. The benefits of homeownership extend beyond financial security and tangible assets. They encompass a sense of control, personalization, and community that renting often lacks. Owning your own space provides the freedom to decorate and renovate as you see fit, creating a home that reflects your style and meets your needs. This sense of personalization fosters a deeper connection to one's living space, creating a true sanctuary from the outside world. Furthermore, homeownership often fosters a stronger sense of community. Putting down roots in a neighborhood and investing in a property can create a sense of belonging and encourage interaction with neighbors. Finding your footing is owning the right fit for you. The decision to rent or own in Jamaica is a deeply personal one, influenced by a multitude of factors, from financial preparedness and risk tolerance to lifestyle preferences and long-term goals. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but rather a choice that aligns with your individual circumstances and aspirations. If you value stability, building long-term wealth, and the freedom to personalize your living space, homeownership might be the ideal path. However, if flexibility, lower upfront costs, and freedom from maintenance responsibilities are higher priorities, renting might be the more suitable option at this stage in your life. Seeking guidance from financial advisors or real estate professionals can provide valuable insights and help you make an informed decision that aligns with your individual needs and aspirations. The cornerstone of Jamaican real estate. In Jamaica, where turquoise waters meet lush green mountains, location is key. Renting a beachfront apartment or investing in a countryside villa, location shapes your lifestyle and satisfaction. Jamaica's diverse landscape offers unique options, each with its own charm. From Kingston's bustling streets to Montego Bay's tranquil shores, each location has distinct amenities and property values. Understanding the power of location. Location significantly influences property values and investment potential. Prime locations with amenities, low crime rates, and good schools command premium prices. These areas often see higher demand and increased property value appreciation. Investing in such locations can yield significant returns. Navigating the landscape, choosing the right location for you. With Jamaica's diverse offerings, choosing the right location means aligning your needs with each region's characteristics. Are you a young professional seeking city life? Kingston might be the ideal fit. Families might prioritize Mandeville for its schools and community. Retirees might find solace in Portland or St. Elizabeth. Consider your budget and long-term goals. Prime locations come at a premium. Explore up-and-coming neighborhoods or smaller properties. Beyond the horizon. Looking ahead at Jamaica's future landscape. As Jamaica continues to evolve, its real estate landscape is undergoing dynamic shifts. Understanding these emerging trends is crucial for making informed decisions that stand the test of time. One notable trend is the increasing demand for sustainable and eco-friendly housing solutions. As awareness of climate change and environmental conservation grows, home buyers and renters alike are prioritizing properties that minimize their ecological footprint. This trend is driving the development of green buildings, incorporating features such as solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and energy-efficient appliances. Another emerging trend is the rise of mixed-use developments, seamlessly integrating residential, commercial, and recreational spaces within a single community. These developments cater to the growing desire for convenience, walkability, and a strong sense of community, particularly among young professionals and families. Charting your course, making the right decision for you. There's no one-size-fits-all answer in Jamaica's housing market. Renting or owning depends on personal aspirations, financial realities, and priorities. Homeownership offers roots and legacy, with emotional and financial appeal. Renting provides freedom and flexibility, ideal for those early in their careers or with a nomadic lifestyle. The Jamaican dream, redefined, embracing the possibilities. The Jamaican dream is vibrant, diverse, and constantly evolving. It encompasses a spectrum of aspirations and possibilities. Define what the Jamaican dream means to you. Embrace the freedom to choose a path that aligns with your lifestyle. challenge traditional notions of success. The decision to rent or own in Jamaica is an investment in your future. Embrace the possibilities and watch your Jamaican dream unfold. Join the conversation. Share your Jamaican housing story. What's your take on renting versus owning in Jamaica? Share your experiences, insights, and aspirations in the comments below.